Hello everyone and good day. Welcome to LifePill, the channel that lets you learn positive psychiatry and life coaching and how these help sustain the healthy minds of people who practice it. So altogether, we will all grow well in life. If you are new to this channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe and click the notification bell and follow LifePill in all its social media accounts listed in the description box below. I will be very glad to help you achieve or sustain your overall well-being. Last time, we did a teaser video for my webinar on sustaining the healthy mind in the new academic environment. But if you have not yet watched that video, don't worry because I will be sharing the link below. Just check it out in the description box. Before I proceed, allow me first to thank you all my LifePill movers for supporting my advocacy through this platform to advance my cause for mental health education and to propagate the call for positivity. So as you all know, I have been conducting my mental health webinar series starting late last year. Previously, we have managed to conduct it to 7 groups of varying audiences from undergraduate and graduate students, teaching personnel, as well as support service personnel from various places in Mindanao, such as in General Santos City, in Tacurong City, province of Sultan Kudarat, in Malaybalay City, province of Bukidnon, and recently in Kidapawan City, province of North Cotabato. From these episodes, I was so amazed of the kind of engagements I have developed with my participants, and I am happy of the mutual learning we gain from each other. So once again, thank you so much to all of you. For our 8th episode, we are moving back to General Santos City. This time, I will be engaging with my webinar participants on the very important topic, if life is sinking, try positive thinking. I know that many of you can relate to this topic, and I am definitely sure that the upcoming webinar will be as thrilling and knowledge-filled as the previous ones. So thank you so much to those who have worked so hard in making this event very possible. As you expected, we will still be having our pre-work activity before the actual webinar. I will be asking you, my dear webinar participants, our general audience, and our LifePill movers, the 3 essential and reflective questions that will help us unravel our thoughts and our emotions during this terrifying time and discover how we can take advantage of positive thinking as a way of combating a difficult life. Please don't forget to comment your insights down below and use our official hashtags, which are hashtag positive psychiatry, hashtag life coaching, hashtag making experiences better, hashtag mindfulness, hashtag mental toughness, and hashtag inspirational video. As I always say, much as we use YouTube for entertainment purposes, we can also do so for educational purposes. So rest assured that your reflections will be used solely for such purpose. And now, here are your questions. For question number 1, do you believe that you can use positive thinking as a way to make your experiences better? For question number 2, what positive things have you discovered of yourself while you are living in a time of pandemic? And lastly, for question number 3, what other measures or techniques can be used to improve your general well-being? Once again, don't forget to post your insights in the comments section and use our official hashtags. Thank you so much for your participation and your cooperation, because you have just done something very great to lighten our journey in this challenging period. Before I end this video, please do support my collaboration with Mindfulness PH, a local Filipino brand that advocates for mindfulness as a strategy in promoting well-being. Shown on screen are some of our featured minimalist apparels that help support the call for positivity. And if you want to become your own hero, please support us and help sustain the therapies of persons with mental health issues. So this is it for now. Once again, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will get updated every time I upload new inspiring and motivating videos. Also, please follow LifePill in all its social media accounts listed in the description box and flashed on your screens right now, and be a LifePill mover yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and comment in my videos, and together, let us make that huge difference in our community. Once again, you are watching LifePill, the channel that helps to grow a community that embraces positivity and hope for people to grow well in life. Lots of love and positivity to all. See you on the next one. Bye!